I'm Katie, the content marketer here at Justuno. Today, we're talking about how to increase your average order value using upselling and cross-selling. Getting new traffic to your website is expensive, so it's important to make the most out of your visitors. Upselling and cross-selling promotions are a great way to increase the amount of money your visitors are spending and can help you maximize the ROI on your paid ad spend. To begin, let's define what these terms mean. Upselling is pushing a visitor to buy a more expensive version of a product. A good example of an upsell is asking if you want to supersize your meal. Cross-selling is pushing a visitor to buy related add-ons to their product. For example, asking if they want a drink with their sandwich. Now let's go shopping. In this scenario, the visitor added a pair of leggings to their cart. If you want to upsell the visitor, show a promotion that suggests a more expensive, higher quality pair of leggings. If you'd rather cross-sell the visitor, suggest they take a look at the matching crop top to complete the look. Both of these examples will increase the visitor's order value, but use different methods to get there. With Justuno, you can implement these product recommendations either using manual targeting rules, or if you're a Justuno Plus member, you can use smart promotions under our Commerce AI section. Justuno helps you to give visitors more options and more value, so they'll spend more and help you reach your marketing goals.